Hey guys, my name is Hari. When customers invest in Augury, they're not just trying to reduce unplanned downtime. They're trying to transform reliability across the organization. However, a lot of this impact is not easily captured or visualized in the platform. That changes today with the release of our improved value capture functionality. So Augury's customers are already achieving monumental results with predictive maintenance. Take a look at the kind of outcomes customers are achieving with Augury right now. We're talking 90% reduction in unplanned downtime, 40% lower maintenance budgets, and even 12% drops in motor energy use. But here's the issue. Most of these results, whether it's improved OEE, reduced process waste, or even reduction in carbon dioxide emissions, they are not tied to machine faults or alerts. This creates a real disconnect. Our customers know that they're getting a huge ROI, whether it's 5x, 10x, or even 20x returns in some cases. But when it's time to justify that investment internally, it's really hard to show those numbers. And that's exactly why we built value capture. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through 4 features that we've deployed in the platform that's going to help you capture value a lot more easily. The first is machine-based improvements. So when Augury detects a machine improvement, like a resolved fault, or when a machine moves from alarm or danger back to acceptable, the user will see a prompt to quantify savings. Just click on it to enter detailed impact data. This is a great way to make sure the site is staying on top of machine improvements and recording them as they happen. The second is expanded categories. In the new model, you can now log savings beyond just downtime, but labor, parts, and even custom fields. The total value updates as you go. These could be things like repair costs that you managed to avoid, spare parts that you didn't have to buy because of the save, labor costs saved, and so on. This provides a lot more flexibility for the site to record different types of cost savings that are not just related to downtime. The third is facilities level wins. Now you can use the new savings button on the success and impact page to log non-event based values. And to wrap it all up, we now have new filters and views. You can now see pending entries, filter by savings types, and track impact over time in one clean dashboard. Whether you're saving $1,000 in labor or $100,000 by optimizing inventory, Value Capture gives you credit for it. Ready to capture impact? Start using Value Capture in your Augury dashboard today.